What's up guys? Today, oh my god. Today we're playing Slap Tower 2. Sige. Oh my god, nandun kita. So, we need to lock in guys. First time ko lang laro nito. Laruin natin dito guys. Mukhang mahirap to guys ah. So, may libreng slap dito guys. Ito. Kita ko lang to sa YouTube guys. Tama agad. Okay, dito. Uy, go! Oh. Slap, pop. Bye-bye. Please don't troll. Please. Oh, don't slap. Don't slap! Please. Don't. Troll. Unlock. Ay po. Robux na to yan guys. Kaya mo ko Robux na to yan guys. Wala akong Robux eh. Tawad guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Grabe yan guys. Pero dito try natin. Oh my. Bagong taon. 2025 nga pala. Sorry kung hindi ako naka-upload. Hindi ako naka-upload. Isa lang ako naka-upload guys. Sorry guys. PC kasi eh. Yeah. Oh my. Bro. Stop doing that. Don't troll, please. I need you to stop trolling now. I need help. I really need help. Hoy, ingay kayo. Opo. Ba't yung karma yun? Sorry guys. Bakit? Oh. Naglaro ako ng Grow Garden guys. Sa next video ko guys, laruin ko yung Grow Garden. So, stay tuned guys. Stay tuned. Sa next na video guys, maglaro ako ng Grow Garden. So, sana millions na aking ano. Oh, please don't throw. Oh my god. No. Bro, why? It's so slap, bro. This is so strong. Wait, this guy was... I hate this thing. Slap me really much. So, let's try this. Oh my... Oh my god. Oh, good. Alright.